Starfall.com, a publicly supported charity.
Backpack is a little bear.
Backpack is a little bear, little bear, little bear. Backpack is a little bear whose fur is soft and brown. Backpack's playing hide and seek, hide and seek, hide and seek. Backpack's playing hide and seek. Where can that bear be found? Backpack is at school today, school today, school today. Backpack is at school today to learn the reading rules. He will make you laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. He will make you laugh and play. Yes, Backpack is at school.
To see more, visit Starfall.com.